In this clip, we'll be making a Mai Tai. The ingredients for a Mai Tai are spiced rum, triple sec, orange juice, pineapple juice, grenadine, and lime juice. To make the Mai Tai, we will start by filling a 16-ounce pint glass with ice. We will then add a shot each of spiced rum and triple sec. We will add a splash of lime juice and a splash of grenadine. And we'll go ahead and fill our glass halfway with OJ and halfway with pineapple juice. Now we'll go ahead and dump that in our blender. And mix. And there is your Mai Tai.
Do it again, Skip.
Makes me want to be at the beach.